The Swedish freedom to roam is a principle protected by the Constitution that gives all people the right to be free in nature. That means that you don't have to ask for permission to walk there, to pick mushroom, pick berries, but it's also an obligation to take care of both the nature, and if you reach somebody's lot, you should be out of sight and out of hearing distance. In the old days we went picking berries and mushroom, and today most people need an extra adventurous part. We are only 9 or 10 million people in a big country, so we have a lot of forests and a lot of pastoral landscapes, but also in the cities we have a lot of parks and green areas coming into the town. We learn about freedom to roam by the school. It's also learned from generation to generation by tradition. My interest for nature comes from my grandma, who took me to the forest very often, picking mushroom or watching birds or just talking about the crows, the crows in her garden.